Hi everyone, today I will try to new feature of Canva, that is Canva Docs. When you access to Canva, you can see the icon Docs right here. And in case if you don't have a doc icon, you can come to canva.com search the docs. After that, you can click to this to join the Canva doc. After that, you will see the Canva doc in your account. Now we will try to reach Canva. Now I will try to doc. First thing, I will try to click to this button, click to magic white. Then I will type something I will want to try to write. Then I will press enter. This is cry wood. Now if I want to try to write something, example, I will try to write forest. Press enter. So this is very good AI. If you want to write something, you can copy this and set to magic white. You can see this icon. You have 20 magic wireless. This means I use a Canva free account, so I will have 25 use a month. But if you have a Canva Pro, you can use 75 use every month. Thank you for watching. See you next time.